We look forward to the year of the tiger with great hope. It may have been a difficult year in the past, but as we always say, tough times never last. Only the tough does. So let us all face the new year with confidence and courage, because only when we dare, I think, then will we be able to succeed. 所以最后，当我们面对新的虎年，让我们有这个勇气，而这个决心，来有创意和创新，来面对新的一年的挑战。在这个虎年，不应该怕，应该敢去做，敢去做。明知山有虎啊，偏向虎山行啊。